All right, guys, a little bit of a rough day in the market. You know, we're seeing pullbacks across the board. Now, this is okay, but the reason why this is happening is more delays. All right, what we're talking about is delays on the decisions for spot ETFs. Okay, Valkyrie, Wisdom Tree, Invesco, and of course BlackRock, the big dog of all these, have been delayed further. The SEC just playing more games with our hearts. And it sucks. Okay. Obviously, we saw BTC pull back down to about 26K. And what this likely has to do a lot with is a lot of liquidations. I'm sure there are people that took, long positions on leverage and on pullbacks. There are many people that got liquidated. That's why you saw this drop as fast as it did. Now, what you have to remember is really most assets in the broader crypto market are correlated, SHIB included. Okay. SHIB is obviously down on the day as well. Now, the cool thing to see is that SHIB is only down 1.83% when comparatively you look across these other top 20, coins in the marketplace, and most of them are down 3, 4, 5%. SHIB's actually doing quite well. There's a few that are up, Toncoin, Tron, but SHIB's holding up quite well. Now, this should not come as a surprise to anybody. If you followed me for a while here, even if you just followed me over the last 2 weeks, you know that I said this was in the cards. All right. In fact, I've had it drawn out here for almost 2 weeks, and this isn't because I'm a wizard. It's because history has a way of repeating itself. Okay. We know historically August is a sucky month. We know September is a sucky month. There's not a lot of good things that happen at this time. I would love to have the first historically great September in crypto history, but chances are we're probably not going to see it. And that's fine. All right. What you need to remember is these uncertain times, these times where price is down and depressed right now, they have no bearing on the long-term performance of an asset. Just look back at what these times look like back at this point in prior market cycles. Has no bearing. It does not matter. You can still see coins rally 50, 100x from here. Okay. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying that's going to happen with SHIB. I would love for that to happen with SHIB, but obviously we gotta be patient. We got to see how adoption happens. We got to see what kind of mass adoption for crypto as a whole happens, right? But I think we still do continue to see a little bit of downside here. We're still following this volatility that I drew out. We're still going to keep testing the top of this trend line. Guys, this is what you need to watch right here. Okay. If you need to watch anything, watch what's happening around this line. You may have noticed that SHIB has been in this descending wedge since the height of the bull market. Well, recently here, it's been testing the top of this. It keeps bouncing its head off the top of this. It wants to go up, guys. It really does. That means that likely when we do get some macro factors that support an upward movement in the broader crypto market, SHIB can likely break this again, and it can get a sustained run to the upside. There are some levels that we need to break. We can talk about those once we get a little bit closer, but right now, I'm just looking to add to my bag. Like I said before, I'd love to add in this 5078 to 5080 level, so we're right in there. And that if we do continue to get down towards these levels in September, down to the mid 507s, I'm really looking at heavily adding there. So you guys can always do what you want, but it is what it is. We're stuck with the rest of the market right now, guys, but those times, they don't last forever. Just wait for an alt season, wait for a bull market. Times are going to improve. So appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.